Hello, greetings guys. I hope you are doing fine. It's Gift here. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I want to welcome you to Photoshop. Alright, welcome to Photoshop. Alright, I want to introduce you to the home page and how you can set up a new document. Alright, so when you open your Photoshop, when you just click it from your desktop, it will take up some few seconds or a minute to load, and then it will show maybe an image and some information about Photoshop. Right, so what you see after that is done, and you will see a home page. This is the home page of Photoshop. Right, just after launching the software, this is what you are going to see. Alright, but you may not be able to see these documents here, these projects that you can see here. You won't be able to see them. Alright, you'll be able to see what you've been working on recently. If you are opening Photoshop for the first time, nothing will be here. Probably there will be a welcome message, something like that. Alright, and then if you've been using Photoshop for some time, you'll be able to see some of the recent works that will appear here. Alright, yeah, so if you want to create a new project, okay, to create a new document, what you have to do is simply go to create new. Alright, so on this tab here, what I can explain to you is that you've got a recent here. This is the projects I was telling you about, and then you can sort the recent maybe to name, okay, depending on the name, then this depending on the size. Okay, the bigger document will be the first one, just like that. Okay, so I'll set to recent, and then these are the menu bar. This is a menu bar. I'll be able to talk about it later. And then this is a search bar if you want to search something. Okay, so this is the home button now. If you want to create a new document, go ahead and hit create new, and then this will pop up. Alright, okay, the new document page will pop up. Alright, so please, it looks complicated, but trust me, it's not. Alright, it's not. We are going to learn this software. So recent, it will show the recent canvas that I've used. Alright, what the types of canvas sizes that I've been using recently. Alright, so you can see this is what I've been using. Alright, all these are types of canvas. Alright, canvas sizes, different types of canvas sizes. Then you've got saved here. Okay, that is if you save a canvas. Now on this side here, pay attention to this. Okay, this is why you set up a document. First thing here, preset details, it's the name of the document. Okay, so let's say you're designing something for, let's say Instagram. You're going to write Instagram ad, let me just say like that, and then this is the width. Alright, this the size, so I'm going to say it's 2408. This is a4. I'm going to, let me just say Instagram ad, and let me just make it a square. Let me just put 1024 pixels. Alright, so this is width and this is height, so you can see that the measurements are the same because I want it to be a square. And then when you click here, you've got the measurements. Okay, pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and pixels. Okay, so I normally use pixels. Alright, I'm used with pixels, so you can see what you're comfortable with using, but pixels is just okay. And then you've got orientation here. This is a portrait, and this is a landscape. Okay, and then if you want to have artboards, different add more canvas on your workspace, you can go ahead and enable artboard. But if you don't need one, just leave it like that. And then the resolution, I want it to set to 300 always. Right, every time set to 300. That's a good quality. And then leave it pixel to inch like that. And then in color mode here, RGB, it is when you are using your design for digital screens. Okay, for social media, for any kind of screen. And then if it's going to be printed, go ahead and hit CMYK, select CMYK here. Okay, but I'm going to select RGB color. And then the background content, it will be white. Okay, so what this is the canvas color, right, the background. So you can change to black, background color, transparent. So background color is when you can change any color. Transparent, no, there won't be any color, to just be transparent. Custom, you can set your own. That is shown here. If you want, you can change. Just go ahead and click here and tap any color. That is what to the color I'm going to pick here. Let's say red. It's shown here. That's what will be on your canvas. Okay, so let me just pick white. Okay, actually let me just go ahead and say white. Yeah, so for this, these are the details that you have to know for now. And then if you want to be using this even maybe in the next project, go ahead and save this as a preset. Okay, so go ahead and click like that, and then name it. Okay, let's say Instagram ad, or say Instagram poster. Okay, so I'm going to click save preset, and then if you save, it will appear here. So this is the first one is recent. Saved, you have what you have saved. Okay, so the first one I saved my square canvas Instagram poster. Okay, so now there are now two. I think I saved this again. Alright, so your saved canvas will be here. Alright, if you want to be, if you have some measurements which you'll be using the most, you can just save them here instead of you setting up the document anytime you want to start designing. You can just set one you can just set once and then save it, so that you just can go ahead and click save it, click it, and then you hit your create. Then you've got photo here. Photo, this is for photography, those people that are into photography. If you want to edit some images, this are some of the canvas sizes that they use. And then we've got print. This is when your design is going to be printed. You can actually select here. We've got different canvas sizes. We've got letter A4, A6, A5, A3, just like that. Okay, B4, B5. You can pick any that you are looking for, but again, it is still okay. You can just set up a new document plan as you even come into print. It's no problem. Just make sure that you change the color mode. Art and illustration, web, mobile, film, video. For us, I will not focus on that too much. Okay, so I'll go to what I have set here. So let me just say to Instagram ad. Let me set it like this. 2024. I want to have a square. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to go and hit create. Okay, when you're done setting up, go ahead and click create, and then a canvas open like this. Okay, so you can see that it's white because we selected white, remember, when putting up and setting up the document. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, this is the workspace. All right, this is now where things start happening. All right, I'll be able to explain these other tools here and everything that you can see here in the next part of the video. All right, yeah. Okay, it looks too complicated with a lot of things on the screen. Right, trust me, this is not hard. Right, it's not hard. Okay, especially that for somebody who's guiding you. If you're opening Photoshop for the first time and you are opening just yourself without anyone guiding you, it will be very difficult. I remember doing this open Photoshop for the very first time. I actually had to close it because I had nowhere to start from. Yeah, it's actually looks too complicated. Yeah, but don't worry, I'll be able to explain this and you'll be able to understand. All right, so if you want to set up a new document while this is still open, just go ahead and hit your home. Okay, like that, and then you can create another document and then it will be able to open again. All right, and then if at all you are working on something here, and again you accidentally place here, okay, don't think that you have lost your work. Okay, it happened to me. I think the time I was just starting, I was working on something here, and then I had to click this accidentally. I was like, I've lost all my work. Then I don't know how I placed this again, and then it came back. Okay, yeah, so this is the interface of Photoshop. I'm going to explain other tools in the next part of the video. Okay, I welcome you to Photoshop once again. Thank you so much for watching.